A circle of radius 2 centered on the origin is drawn on a grid of points with integer coordinates. Let n be the number of grid points that lie within or on the circle. What is the smallest amount the radius needs to increase by for there to be 2n minus 5 grid points within or on the circle? Ooh, interesting. So we have a circle of radius 2, and then we increase the radius and we pick up more points on the grid. I think, I mean, this certainly deserves a diagram. Maybe things will be a little bit more clear how we do this with a diagram. So here's my grid points. We might be able to just do this by inspection, but we'll see. You know, I might even at some point, I might just redo this on graph paper. So circle of radius 2 picks up, we can just count how many points it grabs. Okay, so we have 9 plus 4 and that's n. Okay, so n is equal to 13. So 2n minus 5 is equal to 21, right? 26 minus 5 is 21. How do we pick up 21 points? Well, as we expand, so we need to pick up 8 more points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need to expand the radius to there. And that distance, that's 1, that's 2. So the new radius is 4 plus 1 square root. Right, that's the new radius. But the question asks, what is the smallest amount the radius needs to increase by? So let's call it delta r. The change in the radius is going to be root 5 minus 2. And that is answer A. Yeah, I thought this was going to be a lot more tricky and tedious and stuff like that, but you know, draw a diagram, and then this one you can figure out more or less by inspection. I suppose the key here is understanding that with a circle of radius 2, knowing exactly which points are contained. You know, this point here is a distance less than 2 from the origin, so that's contained. These ones are a distance greater than 2, and then also having the intuition of understanding that these 8 points will all be added to the collection simultaneously, and since we're going from 13 to 21, we need to add 8 points. That's, you know, that's, we need to increase the radius to that amount. Yeah, and it specifically says what is the smallest amount the radius needs to increase by. It doesn't ask what is the new radius. But luckily, the new radius, root 5, isn't even one of the options. So hopefully, if anyone thought the answer was going to be root 5, you would be tripped up by not having that answer available. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Nothing terribly advanced here, really. Thanks for watching.